In this video, I'm going to show you how to change passcode on Exness. So all you just need to do, just log into your Exness account. As you can see right there, I just created this account for this tutorial, so I don't have any money on this account. So the next thing you're going to do is just click on profile down below on the bottom right. Just click on profile. Then it's going to show a page like this. You can see all these features. Then the next thing you're going to do is click on settings at the top right here. So once you click on settings, you can see email, you can see security, you can see change passcode. Just click on that. So once you click on change passcode, it's going to ask you to put the current passcode that you're using. Then once you input that, you're going to be able to input the new passcode, which of course you would like to use. And basically, if you have using an iPhone, you can either log in through your passcode or through your Face ID. And if you are using an Android device, you can either use your passcode or use your fingerprint. So I make use of my fingerprint to log into Exness, and if I don't want to use fingerprint, I can actually use my passcode to access the Exness account.